Welcome to our weekly series on Thirukkural, a timeless gem of Tamil literature. In this episode, we will delve into Chapter 4, Kural 8, which imparts a powerful message about the importance of daily performing good deeds. Let us explore the profound wisdom of Thirukkural. Chapter 4 of Thirukkural, known as the Essentials of Virtue, offers profound insights into leading righteous life. Kural 8 encourages us never to let a day pass without performing a good deed, highlighting the significance of daily acts of kindness. Never let a day pass without a good deed. It makes this life fulfilling and the next unnecessary. This Kural reminds us of the profound impact of performing daily good deeds. By consistently engaging in acts of kindness, we enrich our present life with fulfillment and render the need for future lives unnecessary. Thirukkural teaches us that every day is an opportunity to make a positive difference in the lives of others and contribute to the betterment of society. Seizing these opportunities creates a fulfilling and meaningful life for ourselves and those around us. Engaging in daily acts of goodness not only benefits others but also nourishes our souls. Through these selfless actions, we find purpose and meaning, making each day a fulfilling step in our journey of life. Let us embrace the wisdom of Thirukkural and commit to performing a good deed every day. By doing so, we enrich our present lives and contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious world. In conclusion, Thirukkural Chapter 4, Kural 8, reminds us of the profound significance of daily acts of kindness. Let us make every day an opportunity to spread love, compassion, and positivity, enriching our lives and impacting the world around us. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey through the wisdom of Thirukkural. May its teachings inspire us to embrace daily acts of kindness and create a better world for ourselves and future generations.